Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to make a QR code generator. I want to make a new React project. I open the terminal. I write npm create with last QR generator. And I say TypeScript, React and other stuff. Okay, now our project is installed. We do Ctrl+C, we go to the project QR generator and we do npm install npm install tailwind css with, and we should install a library, react library qr code. Say react QR code. You can see the documents and all the stuff here. Not this one. qrcode.react. This one. Now you install it. npm qrcode.react. Now it's the time to go to the project. We open the project. We go to app. I usually clean everything. Okay. And then we go to install tailwind. Yes. And import tailwind css. Okay, and let's import the tailwind. Import tailwind css. Okay, now I think it should work. Let's try. Let's make a div that bg red and type s in it. Let's run our project. Okay, let's open it. There's a s, but there's no. Let's search for tailwind import css. Okay, we did this. I think we did the right thing. Why it doesn't work? I think there's something wrong here. Or we didn't install the tailwind. Did we install the tailwind? Yeah, we did. Okay. Let's try another thing. Oh, I got it. Now it should work. Yeah. Okay. Let's tailwind search bar. Let's make a let's copy a search bar. I don't care about it. Let's generate. Let's use this. We're gonna make a component. Text as a text input. .tsx. Now we're gonna import React, and then const text input and you're gonna make an arrow function with return. Okay, and then export default text input. Okay, now let's make it h1 tag in it to check if it's working. Hello, and import it in the app as text input. Let's import it first. Import text input and text input here. Why it doesn't work? Okay, it should work. Let's change the name. Let's change the name of it. Inputs, for example. Let's change the name. Maybe the name is the problem. Okay, now it should work. Input. What does it say? Okay, now we have an index map, components, text input, export default text input, and h1 tag. What's the problem? Oh, okay. The return is not working properly here. Now it should work. Okay, we have the hello, we have the s. We're gonna delete the s. Text input, and we have it ready to go. And we're gonna change it to React shaped. Okay, now it should work. Yeah, there's input. Now I want, for example, a div for it. With class name. What should we call it? We don't call it. Let's make a margin top. Okay, now let's make a button. Let's make a function for him. Let's make a variable first here with useState. So we imported useState here. We're gonna remove the other things. Const what you should call it, text to text for input, and set text for input equals to useState, and open and close. The default thing would be empty, and let's pass it to var equals to and func equals to okay, it's not a problem. V, it's not important. We're gonna come here and where is thing input on change handle change, or we can simply write no, let's make it handle type handle text. It's easier. Okay, let's make a function handle const handle text and equals to let's log everything that we press first. E and E dot target dot value. This should work. Let's pass the value first. Let's check it. Yeah, it's working. Okay, now let's pass the value as v and func, and func dot e dot target dot value. Now it should change the v. Let's make it obvious that we are changing it, and we're gonna check it. Yeah, the function, the variable is changing also. Let's delete it and just put it there. Yeah, it's working. So we passed the value to the input text. Now let's make a button. Let's make a button here, button to generate .tsx. I don't know why I wrote it like this. Okay, now I want to delete here. There is no handle for button, there is nothing here for it. There is button to generate. Okay, and let's make h1 again here, button, and let's import it in the app. Button to generate, and let's import it. From components, button to generate. Okay, now the h1 is here. Let's copy and paste another thing, tailwind button. Let's find a tailwind button. Okay, I like let's make it like this. I like this one. The cyan one, or teal one is good. And make it like React, and it's working, but it's not rounded. Why it's not rounded? It's not important for now. Okay, let's make a div again. And I think it's okay now. Yeah. And let's justify content and center. Okay, justify content center, and let's make a background for it first. PG black. Okay, Lex. Okay, and justify content center. Justify center. Okay, now the button is in the center of the screen. I delete the flex also. Should not do that. Okay, now the button is here. The variable is changing. Let's make a QR component also. qr.tsx. Let's import React. Import React, and then make it QR. Let's make it like this. I don't know why did I write it like that, but let's make it like that. Okay, and QR, and return nothing, and export default QR. Okay, let's make a h1 tag inside here. Let's make it into parentheses. h1, not like that, h1 like this. Hello. Okay, and let's import it and make it like this. QR, and import QR, import QR from components, and that's it. Okay, I made the thing. Now let's make the QR thing. As the tutorial, the instruction said, we can make a canvas with this, importing QR, and render it. I think it should be fine like that. And now the QR is generated. Okay, so let's make the button working. Now I change everything. The value is changing. Let's make a variable for it as text for QR. Text for QR. And then let's pass it to the QR as value, as V again, like V. Value is for qr, and let's pass the func to the button. Now if we put a thing for unclick, handle click, and const handle click equals to our function, and log high. Now we should write high. Yeah, high is logging. Now we can set the func and write func and the value the value of the text for input. Now we should pass this one also to the button, v text for input. We could make context for it, but I made it simple. Text for input v. Okay, v. Now it should change the QR code. That doesn't work. Why it doesn't work? Let's check it. Oh, it doesn't have E. Let's make a log first. Log v. Okay, we have the value here. Okay, we have the thing also here, and QR. Oh, okay. Now the value should be value passed here as v, and we pass the value like this. Okay, now it's changing. Now if I get the screenshot and QR code, scan now. I'm gonna paste the image. Now you can see it's exactly the same thing. Okay. Thank you for watching the video. I will see you soon. Bye bye.